Welcome back to our training here. We're going to go ahead and talk to you today about doing voicemails. So voicemails can be changed, but whether that's a password or setting up a new voicemail account in a variety of locations. So we do have that here from the dashboard under voicemails. We also have it under applications, voicemail. Additionally, if you're just changing a quick user's extension and the voicemail password there, you can go to their extension and change the voicemail password there as well. So a couple locations if you're just changing a quick password, but I'm going to go back here and navigate down to voicemail just so we can look at all the voicemails created for this organization. So once we're within the voicemail section, every time you've created an extension, it should generate a voicemail inbox. So voicemail, we do voicemail, voicemail to email with a transcription enabled. And you can see here every user that is created within the system. So I'm going to navigate here to 1500. There is not a voicemail box created. We can see what the default password is there and make that adjustment if we need to. If we're going to send that voicemail to email, we'll go ahead and put that mail to, and you can input the email address associated with that. And then here's where we can toggle on that transcription. Now, our voicemail to email comes in a variety of ways. The most basic form is just a WAV file that is sent to their email. If you are more security conscious, we can go ahead and do like a listen link, and that will require them to have a login, or a download link, which is similar to the WAV file, which is still going to require them to navigate to a link, but there is also no login required for that. Most of our customers will go ahead and just do the audio file attachment. It's a pretty easy way. Most emails are somewhat secure, and you have other security measures on that. So voicemail to email seems to be the most preferred method and the simplest for your users. We also can add some forward destinations if we need to go ahead and do that, or if we're going to go ahead and disable a mailbox, I can actually toggle that off here at the end. So very easy to do that. If you have a user that wants to go ahead and input a greeting, and let's say they are a very non-technical user, they can send you that greeting like with a WAV file, and you can upload that into the recording section. You can go ahead and see our other training on how to upload a recording. But once you do that, you can go ahead and set that greeting in here or define an alternate greeting. Also, the user is able within their phone to go ahead and navigate to their voicemail inbox there and also input their greeting themselves. If I go back out here, we can see which users have greetings, which ones do not. There's a greeting that's already established here with a voicemail, or excuse me, a voice message, and we can go ahead and play that if we want to and listen to that. We also can see which users have voicemails in their inbox. So let's go ahead and navigate to this one that has 6. We can see based on the records here what time they've received those voicemails, who it's coming from, the caller ID. We could listen to those voicemails, download those, or if the user just can't seem to find that one in their inbox, you can select that and go ahead and hit the resend button. If you go ahead and hit that resend button, it will send them the message anew. You can go ahead and transcribe it directly here if you want as well. It's pretty simple in terms of going ahead and navigating to find those voicemails. So this is the training on here on how to set up voicemail boxes and adjust voicemail settings. Thank you.